Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Madison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Wanted to get this one out there so you can have it for the weekend. I'll get a longer video of this 1973 Camaro that's been freshly done with a 427 split bumper car, badged up Z28. Gorgeous blue with black stripes on it. Posi rear end. Sitting on, look at this, how beautiful this car is. That's why I wanted to take a quick video so you see it. Runs out great. Got 17-inch American racing wheels, disc brakes in front. Look at that, how beautiful this paint is. You got 18 inches in the back, American racing wheel, great tires. Traction bar. Paint is just beautiful. Love the color. No flaws to be found yet. All your bumpers and lights, everything is working the way it should. Let's take a look underneath her dress. Bam! All your glass and moldings are good, all your chrome. This car's got a great stance. That's pretty. Big 4-inch cowl hood. Body and paint are really, really good. Interior, seat belts in the back. Tray is good. Headliner, good. It's got a custom sound system that's inside the glove box. Look at the interior. All fresh here. Tilt steering wheel. Clean. All the carpets are good. All your gauges are working correctly. Dash is in good shape. 81,500 on the odometer. But like I said, it's got a built 427 in there. This thing rips. And I mean rips. Sexy car. Beast. We're located 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com, where we've got over 170 vehicles ready for immediate delivery in our 45,000 square foot warehouse with service. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. All the suspension has been totally gone through as well on this car. All our photos, descriptions, and videos are online, and pricing. Grab a pen and paper. I'll give you my number so you can make an appointment or ask me questions, or if you need quotes on shipping. Got special financing available up to 180 months. You must have good credit. If you got excellent credit, no money down, minimum down, 10% with good credit. Look at that thing. Just, I love it. So if you need to get a hold of me, my name is Earl. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. 1973 Camaro, big block, 427, built transmission. This thing, I mean, it moves. And the paint and body are beautiful. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes. I'll get more videos out. Have a great weekend, everybody. MGMClassicCars.com.